Emergency, emergency. My coming.
What do the other buttons do?
Nino.
Go on, press the other buttons, see what they make. That's a good sound, isn't it? What about the other ones? And what about this one? What does this one do? What's that noise? Sound like a helicopter. Try him, see if he moves. This one. Does he move at all? Hey, does he move? It's a bit stiff, isn't he? Look. Whoa, and he goes round. Goes to there, make him wait there. And then we'll put the lift down. Wait a second. Whoa, there we go. Goes on the lift. Do you want to twist the lift up?
Yeah.
It's going up.
Now you go down. I go down.
Where's the helicopter?
And that blue one.
Can it take off?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Got be mercy.
It's got to be an emergency.
Yeah, I'm sure. But I got full pack.
Right, okay, so should I telephone the emergency services then?
Yeah.
Hello? Anybody there? The emergency. Ring, 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 ring. Anyone going to answer the phone?
Hello.
There's I need an emergency rescue invite with a helicopter, please.
Okay, I cut on the way. Coming.
Well, this car's being caught speeding, so the police have to put it in the lockup.
Put that one in the jail. Put that one in the jail.
He's locked up now, is he? Can't escape.
No.
Don't move! Freeze! 3D lightings! Oh yeah, cool! Alright, there you go. A police vehicle, a police jeep. Alright, okay, put it down, mommy, on the floor. The police jeep, you like it? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, shut it off, mommy. Awesomeness. Bye, mommy.
Hi everyone, how you doing? Welcome to Lana 3LW. Check it out. We're at Toys R Us and we have the Jeep Hurricane right here. This is the front of the vehicle. Okay. Alright. It's a very big Jeep. Really nice. Alright. Here's the side of it. The front right here. Really nice design. Love the treads. Okay, front guard. And then we have the Hemi engine. This part's made out of aluminum right here. Open it up. This is where you put the cargo stuff right here. All your snacks and candy. This is what the side of the vehicle looks like. Okay, and you notice this is a jump-in car. Doors do not open. There aren't any doors. Okay, but there is a opening right here for footing. Alright, so this is the back of the vehicle. Really nice. A lot of details into this car. Wow. Fun R8D. The license plate says Fun R8D. Alright, here we go. Okay. And these are sticker lights right here. Okay. There we go. Back. This is where the battery is kept. Aluminum headrest. Right there. Okay, steering wheel. Sticker gauges. This is the dash right here. We've got the MP3 radio, battery powered. And a little key slot right here. Okay. And these are just like fake little buttons right here. Navigation GPS system. Cup holder. Gas pedal, and here's the stick shift. Okay. Forward, neutral, and reverse. Pretty cool. Alright, there's Lana. Hi Lana.
Hi.
Alright. As you can see, the steering wheel is very sensitive and easy to turn the front wheels right here. Really nice. Very big vehicle. I think this is one of the biggest vehicles I've seen for kids' electric car. Alright, Lana. Lana, you like it?
Yeah.
Alright. It's an all-terrain vehicle. Look at this. This car can go anywhere. Or this Jeep can go anywhere. Very rugged.